money for doing nothing. Hey guys, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing ways that you can make money on YouTube if you are not monetized. Now, this is not going to be a video talking about how to get monetized because I actually already made that video. I'll post that up here and also down below for you guys. So today we're going to be talking affiliate links. This is something that I actually did not start doing until after I was monetized, but I wish that I had started this way earlier. You can be making money if you are not yet at that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour threshold to get monetized on YouTube. Let me just start off by disclaiming that this is not going to be making you a lot of money at first. You're not going to be rolling in with hundreds or thousands of dollars, so don't get that in your head. This is just a quick, easy way to make money on the side without actually having to do much. Okay, so what are affiliate links? Affiliate links are basically links that creators, YouTubers, different types of people may put in their, let's say, description box of a YouTube video. If somebody clicks on that link and they go to Amazon and they buy something, you are going to get a small percentage of commission. Now, there are a couple of different websites and ways that you can have affiliate links, but if you look at any of your favorite YouTubers, more likely than not, all of those links or most of those links in their description box are going to be affiliate links. It's kind of like you're mentioning the product anyways, why not try to make a bit of commission? It's kind of like you're doing free PR for that brand but not getting anything in return. When I first started my channel 2 years ago, the majority of my videos were videos about hair stuff, curly hair. I was basically free promotion for all these different brands, and I never realized that I could be putting affiliate links and all the different products and tools that I recommended. I could have been getting paid for that, but I did not start using affiliate links until this year, actually about a month or two ago. So the two different websites that I use for my affiliate links are Amazon Associates and then Reward Style. Now, I know that there are a couple of different others, but based on my research and what I saw from people who I follow, these seemed like the most popular or most common ones used. So I'm actually going to take out my iPad and screen record and kind of just like show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to talk about is Amazon Associates. Guys, everybody buys everything off of Amazon. This is a great first one to start at. It's free to apply. If you just Google Amazon Associates, and I'll find that web link and link that down below, you are able to apply. It's pretty quick and easy, and I got approved almost instantly. So Amazon Associates has kind of like a web tool. Once you download it and get that into your browser, anytime that you click on any item in Amazon, you're able to pull that affiliate link, and basically the affiliate link has, I think it's cookies that are linked to your account. And so for Amazon, and different websites have different requirements, I believe for Amazon, if somebody clicks on your link, they don't have to buy that specific product. They can shop around and buy anything, but within a 24-hour period after they click on that link, whatever they buy is going to give you a small percentage of commission. However, let's say they click on your link and they're kind of thinking about it, and so they leave a few items in their cart, and maybe like 2 days later then they buy it. Well, that's not going to get you any commission because you have to have that within that first 24 hours. They don't have to buy the product that you linked. They can, let's say I link an iPhone and they start clicking around and they end up buying an iPad. Well, I'm still going to get a percentage of commission because my link is the one that drove them to that website to buy that. And so I'm going to show you guys what I've made from Amazon Associates. Guys, it's not a lot. So what I did is I went back on all of my videos, and this did take a lot of time, and anytime I mentioned a product like a hair conditioner or anything like that, I changed that link to an affiliate link to Amazon. So I had links in all of my videos, but these were just free links, and I'm promoting products without getting paid or compensated. And so I went back and changed all of my links to Amazon links, and here is how much money I've made so far. Don't be shocked, it's not a lot of money. So through my affiliate links, I have had 8 ordered items and 7 items have been shipped. I've made a whopping $3.68. Now, some of you guys may be laughing like, okay, that's not a lot of money. But this is money for doing nothing, and over time this can really start to build up. You literally all you have to do is just put that link in, and then years to come you can still be making money from that. So it's definitely not a lot of money, but it is an extra stream of income if you are not getting paid from YouTube. Even if you are getting paid from YouTube, it's a couple extra dollars here and there, and over time that can really add up. So I can see that my links have been clicked 692 times, which is actually a lot, but then again, I've only had 8 items ordered. So over time, this may actually bring in more than $3.68. I've only had my links up for maybe like a month and a half or 2 months. And on Amazon Associates, I can even go in and view full report, and I can see the items that were ordered. Some of them were items that I specifically linked, but some of them were other items that maybe the viewer kind of like clicked around. So this is the first one, is Amazon Associates. This is great because everybody orders everything off of Amazon. One last thing on Amazon Associates is that the percentage of commission depends on the type of item that you're selling. They have a whole list of all the different items and what you'll make. Most often it's between like 1 and 3%. So you're not going to be making a lot of money, but like I said, it's just money in the background for doing nothing. Okay, so the next one that I use is called Reward Style, and I actually discovered this through YouTubers who I follow. I would always see the links in their bio would always say like something .r style, and I saw that so often that I wondered what it was, and I discovered that it was Reward Style, which is another affiliate link website for influencers. They partner with things like Target, Sephora, Apple, just a whole bunch of different ones. This one is super handy because you can download a web browser tool into Google Chrome, and anytime you're on like Target's website and you see something you want, you can just instantly get that link, copy, paste it, boom, done. So I've actually made $89.31 from this website, which is crazy because I made $3 from Amazon. But the reason why I've made this much money, so let me go in and show you guys what was purchased through my links. So I have sold 4 products through my links, and they were all from apple.com. So the more expensive the item is, obviously the bigger commission you're going to get. If you look in the bio of all my videos, I linked all of my equipment, and that is some pretty expensive stuff like my camera, my laptop, my microphone, stuff like that. So the more expensive the item, the more percentage of commission you're going to get. So for our style, Reward Style, it doesn't tell me exactly what was purchased, it just tells me where it was purchased from. And so I can see that on one item I made $36, which somebody probably purchased like a MacBook or something pretty expensive. Other items I only made $2, $12, so it all just depends on what is being sold. So obviously the more expensive item that you link down below or that they buy, the more percentage of commission you're going to get. For Reward Style, they require a $100 threshold before you get paid, and they pay every single Friday. I'm at $89, so I have not yet gotten paid. For Amazon, I'm not sure what their threshold is, but I will research that and let you guys know. One more website that I want to mention that I personally have not tried, but I've seen a lot of other influencers use it, is called... This one's called Magic Links. I've seen a lot of people use that as well. The same concept applies. I personally don't feel like I need to use it because I already have Amazon and Reward Style, and I can pretty much find any product I want between those two different websites. So that is how you can make money using affiliate links. And let me just throw this in here that when I first started putting links in my video, I kind of felt guilty about trying to make money. But if you think about it, I was putting these links anyways. Like, you're doing free advertising for companies who are not paying you. And whenever your subscriber or your viewer clicks on that link and buys something, it's at no additional cost to them. It's only supporting you. And so I think about it in a way like, hey, we all have to have a job, we all have to make money somehow, and this is an easy way to make money if you are not subscribed. Even if you are just extra money in the background, I spend so much time making videos and editing, buying products, buying equipment and all this stuff because I truly love it, and to kind of just have some support be thrown back into your channel. And so it's really a way for your viewers and your subscribers to help support you. It's not charging them, they still get the exact same product. All it's doing is just giving you a little bit of commission. When I say a little bit, talking $3 from Amazon. So it's just a little bit of money here and there. This is definitely no means to support yourself. Like, these affiliate links are kind of like an additional way to make money. Unless you're selling a lot of stuff, you're not going to be making enough money to like pay your rent or pay a bill or anything like that. So those are the ways I've been making money in addition to being monetized on YouTube. If you are just now starting off on your channel, or if you've been struggling to get monetized, I have been there. It took me 2 years almost to get monetized. So after this video, check out my video on my first YouTube paycheck, and I give you guys a ton of tips on how to get monetized. So if you are a creator or if you're thinking about being one, I wish you guys the best of luck. If you have any questions at all, comment down below. I reply to every single comment. Yes, every single comment. And make sure that you are subscribed. I post a new video every single Sunday and Thursday. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, y'all.